आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 18 September 2020. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will to inaugurate the Kosi Rail Mega Bridge on the Bihar today through the video conferencing. Lok Sabha passes the two agriculture reform bill aimed to the bringing the revolutionary changes in the life of the farmer. Prime Minister welcomed the passage from bills and the lower houses, says the options and the parties trying to confuse farmer. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar gave the additional charge of the food processing industry minister following the resignation of the Harsimrat Kaur Badal. COVID-19 recovery rate improves to the 78.64%. Health Minister Harshvardhan Singh says the corona vaccine will be available by the next year. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be the dedicate the Kosi Rail Mahasetu Mega Bridge to the national through the video conferencing today. He also inaugurated the 12 railway project related to the passenger facility to benefit the people of Bihar. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar will also be present on the occasion. The 1.9 kilometer long Kosi Mega Bridge has been completed to the total cost of 516 crore rupees. With the construction of the bridge, the rail distance between the Nirmalai and the Saraghaga would become from the present 298 to 22 kilometers. The project also completed during the COVID pandemic, where the migrant labor also participate. The dedication of the project will fulfill the 86-year-old dream and the long wait for the people of the region. During the heavy flood and the survey into the Nepal earthquake in the 1934, the rail link was washed away from thereafter due to the main drain for nature and the river Kosi. No attempt was made for the restore this rail link for a long period. The Lok Sabha has passed the former Producer Trade and the Commerce Promotion and the Facilitation and Bill 2020, the Farmers Agreement on the Price Assurance and the Farm Service Bill 2020 with the voice vote. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar had moved to the farm the sector and legislation for the Lok Sabha yesterday. The two bills, Farmer Producer Trade and the Commerce Bill 2020 and the Farmers Agriculture on the Accuracy and the Farm Service Bill, the 2020 will be replaced the synonyms accordance and the promulgate for the 5th of the June this year. The time bill will be historic and the Mr. Tomar said they will be the bring the revolutionary changes in the life for the farmer in the country. Mr. Tomar said the bill seeks to give the independence farmers in a term of the selling the produce. The minister asserted that the new legislation seeks and the free farmers from the clusters and the mandis and the farms produce the market. Prime Minister Narendra Modi held the passing the two farm related bills in Lok Sabha on the historic. He said the agree and the reform bills for the utmost for important for the farmers and agriculture sector of the country. The Prime Minister said the Farmers Producer Trade and the Commerce Bill 2020 and the Farmers Agreement, the Price, the Assurance and the Farm Services Bill 2020 will be truly free and the farmers from the middleman and also the obstacles. He said these are the aggregates reform will be provide new opportunity to farmer and the sale their produce, which will be the increase their profit. Mr. Modi arrested for this the legislation will the empower farmer the country and will be the ensure that get the benefit of the modern technology. He said the various powers are the engaged in the confusing the farmers regarding the provisions and the new legislation. Mr. Modi assured the farmer that the system of the MSP in the government procurement will be to continue to before. He exhorted that these bills are additionally fortified for the farmers by giving them many options. President Ram Nath Kovind will be accepted for the resignation for the Harsimrat Kaur Badal from the Union Council of the Minister. Appraised the communiquing issue for the issued by the Rashtrapati Bhavan said Agriculture Minister Naren Singh Tobel has signed the charges of the Ministry of the Food Processing Industry in the addition of these exciting portfolios. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has said that India has the committee to resolve the current border issue of China through the fair and the peaceful manner. At the same time, the country is also prepared to deal with the contingency. He said that China is trying to change the status quo and for the line actual control, which is unacceptable to the India to any condition. The defense minister was making the statement in the Rajya Sabha on the development on the border on Ladakh region. Employees State Insurance Corporation ESIC has issued the instruction for the submission of claim by the affected workers. The claim reform under the recently expanded Atal Bimit Yatri Kalyan Yojana. Under the scheme, the relief for the paid for the ESI members who lost their jobs. Claims to get the relief can be made online. The website www.esic.in along with the submission. The physical claim will be the affectable and the photocopy, Aadhaar card and the bank account detail for the designated ESIC branch office for the post in the person. A ESI Corporation under the chairmanship the Labour Minister Santosh Gangwar has taken the decision to extend the scheme of the Atal Bimit Yatri Kalyan Yojana from 1st July 2020 to 30th June 2021. It has also been decided to enhance the rate of the unemployment relief under the scheme of the 50% wages from the earlier rate of the 25% due to the COVID-19 pandemic and related lockdown. You were listening the national level bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 18 September 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then, goodbye.
आइए हम आपको आज बताते हैं कि किस तरह से आपको लिमटी की लालटेन समाचार एजेंसी इंडिया या साई न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करना है। आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, आप यूट्यूब खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च बटन पर ऊपर जाइए, ऊपर सर्च बटन पर आप टाइप करिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। इसके बाद आप एंटर दबाइए। जैसे ही आप एंटर दबाते हैं तो ये पेज खुल जाएगा। यहाँ पेज में आप देखिएगा ये इस तरीके का नज़ारा आपको दिखेगा। इसके साथ ही आप यहाँ देखिए LIMTY KHARE आपको लिखा दिख रहा है। इसके बाजू में आप राइट साइड में देखिएगा यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है। ये सब्सक्राइब बटन अभी लाल रंग का दिख रहा है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को आपको क्लिक करना है। जैसे ही आप ये सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करेंगे आप देखिए इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। ये आपने सब्सक्राइब की जगह सब्सक्राइब्ड लिखा आ गया, आपने इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, पर अभी आपका काम पूरा नहीं हुआ है। अभी आपको इसके बाजू में आप देखिए एक घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आप इसको अगर घंटी के बटन को प्रेस करेंगे तो 3 ऑप्शन आते हैं, ऑल, पर्सनलाइज्ड और नन। तो इसमें आपको ऑल बटन को पुश करना है। आप जैसे ही आप देखिएगा ये ऑल बटन पुश करते हैं, ये हाईलाइटेड हो जाती है घंटी। इसके बाद जितने भी समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया पर वीडियोस डलेंगे सारे के सारे वीडियोस आपको तुरंत दिख जाएंगे, देखने को मिल जाएंगे। ये हम आपको जो दिखा रहे हैं किस तरीके से आपको समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को की चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है। ये पर्सनलाइज्ड और उसके बाद सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाइए, लाल के बाद वो लाल रंग नहीं